Hey kids, Sideshow here. Just doing a quick update on in the master bedroom of the Belafonte. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a new project similar to an old one. Everyone knows I did the Han Solo. I'm doing it again. I'm not going to do any video on that one, but this next one's going to be full sized. Thank God. It'll include the feet, unlike the first one. But I'll just do a quick overview on that, or maybe see what I made when it's done. Was a similar project, but one that I'm kind of tickled by. I'm going to do Slimer from the Ghostbusters. Uh, Same thing, same medium foam. Um, uh, yeah, it's just going to be a little 3D wall art. Uh, but the more I look into the images of Slimer, the more excited I am by the project. Here, check out what I've got so far. Boom, 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 ba-da. This is the face I've drawn so far. Um, Obviously, tongue, teeth, eyes, all that. It's Slimer. Um, yeah, can't wait to start carving it.